Hello, we are going to unbox Apple Watch Series 8 45mm today. It is a beautiful box. Let's see what's inside. Apple Watch band, USB-C charging cable. Let's start unboxing it. There are two boxes inside the main box. This is, I think it's a band, and here is watch. Let's unbox band first. Peel off. Moonlight color. That's the band. Let's go and open the watch. That's the guide how to set up the watch. Designed by Apple in California. Wireless charger for watch. That's a wireless charger, USB type C. No brick included. Let's see the watch. That's beautiful watch. That's Series 8 45mm. Power button, another button, sensors. It's 45mm aluminum and ceramic case, ion, X glass, GPS, LTE, WR, water resistance, 50-meter water resistance. Apple Watch. Let's on it. Let's fix the band first. Actually is what it was discharged, and it is, I have tried charging it for some time. Let's check it if it's going to be on. No, it still needs charging. I think it is charged a little bit. Let's on it. Setup. Let's set up in language English, region United States. Start pairing. That's the Apple Watch.